From top performances to the top 5, let's see what made the cut.
Number 5.
The stories coming out of the Diddy trial just keep getting more and more bizarre. Social media want Fonzwear to take the stand. You must remember him. He used to hold the umbrella over Diddy's head. I wonder what he knows.
Number 4.
Rumi's cuteness has taken over the Cowboy Carter tour and we're all here for it.
Number 3.
Beanie Man said he was shocked at the unexpected views regarding his upcoming performance. Turns out both Killer and Cartel reposted it. That's nice, keep it up.
Number 2.
Cartel has bought another house. This one is just across the lake from the first one. Big up to you. And finally holding the
Number 1.
spot this week, Chris Breezy released on $5 million bail. No money too large for freedom, and as Chris posted, from the cage to the stage, he's heading to complete his tour. That's it for the Intense 5. Remember to always follow us on IG at TVJ Intense and turn on your post notifications. Up next, Mullah with Soon Forward.